Lion Wash and Wax is an easy-to-use formula that cleans and waxes in one step. It's safe for all colors and clear coat finishes. First, fill an empty bucket with water, followed by pouring some Lion Wash and Wax into the bucket. Next, using a Lion sponge, mix the formula and begin washing vehicle. Finally, rinse the car thoroughly, and using a Lion chamois, dry the car to reveal a just waxed finish. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label, and always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.